guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are gonna be checking out this 13x4 pre-braided water wave wig from Yolissa hair. So if you're interested in seeing what that wig looks like, please keep on watching.
Boss, 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 boss.
Anything Tanaania touch that I feel. Boss, boss.
Right guys, so as I was saying, we are going to be checking out this package from Yolissa hair. Now inside is supposed to be a 24-inch pre-braided water wave wig, 13x4 frontal. You know, I really love the frontal ear them because I'm kind of difficult to put on. You understand me? But I am going to see what is keeping, because they said this wig should be ready to go, easy to install. Now, of course, inside the box is a couple goodies. We have a Yolissa branded satin head tie. You know, of course, for the girl them all want to sleep in them wig and them don't want them lace to mess up. We have a satin bag to store our wig in after we have taken it off. 3D eyelashes. You know, a girl can never go without her lashes. Yolissa branded melt band. A double-sided comb. Of course, you know, you can do your edges with this. You have the brush on one end and then the comb on the other end. And then, of course, a set of HD wig caps. But let's get into the real star of this video, which is going to be this wig here. 24 inches pre-braided. All right, so it says HD invisible lace, undetectable, skin melt transparent. Oh, okay. The pre-braided though, guys, it's literally out of the bag. Like, if you guys can see, the netting is still on the wig. I haven't even taken it off as yet. The styrofoam is still inside. This is how the wig is. Oh, China fabulous. China fabulous, man. China catch on. China don't get sit down on the roadside. Yeah, a braid wig. Love it. Love it. I pull off our yaki and I tie up the ear and I make her like a knot stem and I do our cane row. Fab, China. Love. And the wig is full. Wow, 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 wow. And the wig is wigging. The wig is definitely full. I cannot get over the braids at the front. Like, look at it and it is so neat. Wow, guys. Of course, on the inside, we have a properly constructed wig cap. We have clips on either side that's going to fasten the wig to our head. And then, of course, we have our elastic band towards the back. Wow, they even gave us some baby hairs. I am loving Yolissa for this. Hold on, guys. Let me show you. Yep, we got some baby hairs. Love it. All right, let's get into the installation, guys. Ooh, child, I am ready out of the box. Excuse me? This wig needs nothing, child. Okay, Yolissa. Okay. All right, so what if we go fix the baby ear them? Cause them turned the wrong way. China never fix that one good at all. She not fix that one there. She not fix that baby area. But the lace and the braids are a yes. The lace and the pre-braided is a yes. Remember, guys, this is 24 inches. The link is going to be in the description box below. But let's get into installing, or I should say melting the lace. Wow. Look, guys. Look. I'm gonna put on pan it. Look. Fab, Yolissa. Fab. Yeah, galley. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my melting spray from Sure Luxe Beauty Bar, and then I'm gonna get some water in my bottle with some conditioner and just wet this water wave up and see what she's really giving. Okay. Alright guys, so this is after I've removed the Yolissa melt band after adding the Sure Luxury Bar melting spray to the lace. I of course went in and I did fix the baby hairs to my liking. I do appreciate Yolissa for making baby hairs for me though, because I'm never really good with it. But you know, I kind of add a little mousse and try smooth it out. I went in also with my no fly away wax stick and kind of sleek down the front there. So going with my comb and press it out a little bit. I'ma feel like she cute. I also put up, like I kind of push up the part so anybody looks as you guys could see naturally, but I kind of ease it up so we get a more oomph vibe. You saw when I added the water and some mousse to the curls and combed through it, and this is what the 13x4 pre-braided water wave wig in 24 inches looks like from Yolissa Hair. It actually only took me about 10 minutes to finish up this installation. I didn't cut the lace, only the ear tabs, but it is fabulous. This is basically out of the box fabulosity. Love it, love it, love it, Yolissa Hair. I'm gonna give you guys a final look. Is overall beautiful. Right now it is barely damp. I love the size of it. I love that it's not too big. It kind of has like a tame look, but it's not naughty. As you guys can see, I can rub my hands through it. Definitely a 10 out of 10 Yolissa Hair. Now remember guys, the link to this wig will be in my description box below, along with the link to Yolissa Hair if you want to go ahead and explore all the other wigs they have. Like I said, this is not my first Yolissa wig at all, but the quality is always superb. Now thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, comment below, let me know what you guys think of this wig, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next review video. Bye.